made me a video before. This thing here, it's really been dangerous. The mirror's having to replace. Yeah. Take that, take the thing, yeah. See, mirror, this is really dangerous. Yeah, we're gonna take all this mess out of here. I wish I could use that box, but I can't. Well, I can't use it because I ain't got nothing to fit it. I'm gonna have to do something else. Another PVC line. Yeah, we finna replace all this. Yeah, look at these little walls in there wouldn't even get out the way. Now, pull them wires out. There you go. Pull them wires out. Let's see what it look like for you. Yeah, just take your hand. Ain't nothing in there. Yeah, there it is. They been jumped out on you by now. Yes, it is, ain't it? He was hiding, wasn't he? Where did he go?
One behind me.
Well?
It's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, they washed his bad. These said, ooh.
It wasn't in the airplane.
He gonna get on the way from here.
Them walkers be bad.
Yep. They be bad. All right, D. Pull it out. And, you know, they gone. If he come, he just trying to inspect to see can he get in there, but he ain't in there. All right, pull that out, D. Let me see what that look like. We might have to use one of these. Go on, pull all your wires out. Yeah, pull it all out. There you go. Lay it out. Man, look at it. Is that screw in there?
Where?
Look at that screw.
The world?
Look at that screw in there. Man, one that thing ain't codified. Is that supposed to be ground? Look at it. Oh man, yeah, it's good. The mail gonna have this replaced. Alright. See, we ain't gonna use none of that crap no more. Alright. D, cut the cut loose up there. And when you get down here, cut loose, just cut that there because we got a brand new whip. We're gonna put it right there on there. See, because he gonna pay you for that. Just cut all that mess loose. Take your screwdriver, raise that up, look at it. Yeah, take them screws out. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the screws.
Yeah, that hole in water. Just take that out. Don't throw this break away. Take that out. Just take this mess loose. And when you get here, just get your cutters and cut that. And just throw that stuff over to the side.
The wire?
Yeah, because we ain't gonna use, we got new wire. Yeah, just take all that mess out of there.
You don't need it.
No, give me that and put that up. I don't know why they want to put some stuff like that up there like that. But yeah, cut that out there. Because we got to clean this unit too. We got all this crap thrown up here. Pull that thing, get it. Okay. We're going to use this new whip here.
I took the wire.
Yeah.
It's okay if the wire touch all this stuff.
Huh? All that's dead. You ain't got to worry about that no more. I'm going to take this loose here.
The bottom too?
Yeah. Cut the bottom loose. So we ain't worried about how it go. We know the way it go back, so. You got that screwdriver. Yeah, you got that 6-in-1. We ain't gonna finish this today, D. I can tell you that. But at least we'll have a start on it. For in the morning we get up here. The boss got me good. I want to get all this here put in here. So, I'm gonna cut this off. I just want the mail to see what it is.
thing. This screw rusted.
Yeah, you know what it is. You can't.
This last screw I ain't get it.
Yeah, I know this. Be that way. Be that way.